In this brief video, our objective was to motivate students to adopt a warmer tone in their informal email compositions. Watch this clip and appreciate the creativity it embodies.
How can I change number 4 into informal?
Wait a minute, I just did it. I think it would be amazing if you join me.
Still doesn't sound 100% friendly, but thank you for thinking. The chat, how about joining us? Excellent, Asil Adel. How about joining us? Jamila, why don't you join us, Adam? Excellent. I'll be dancing if you just... Oh, Raneem, I love it. Very friendly. Guys, could you copy Raneem's as well? I'll be dancing if you show up. Come on, there is hyperbole. There is hyperbole as well. I love it. Let me copy Raneem's. When I come across something amazing like this, I write it. Hey, why don't you join us? Gamila Ahaya, I can copy it as well. Would you please show up? Yeah, won't you please show up? Oh, Raneem tried to paraphrase it in a different way.
I would be dancing over the moon if you show.
Ah, excellent. I like it. I would be thrilled to pieces to have you with us. Sorry. Yeah, I'll be thrilled to pieces. What else can we write? I would love it if you can make it and be there. Copy, copy, copy. Yeah, if you'd like to copy all of them, okay. If you'd like to copy some of them. Yeah, if you'd like to use question, you can say, why don't we meet up next weekend? Or why don't you join us? Why don't you join us? That's quite impressive. Huh, oh my God, that's quite impressive. How do you say? Wow, Farida. Yes, I like it. That's out of this world. Yes, Salam Asil Ibrahim. This is unbelievable, isn't it? I like these questions. I love question tag like, isn't it? Wasn't it? Don't you? Didn't you? Yeah, but there is a mistake in the sentence that I've just written.
The T in this must be capitalized.
After the exclamation mark, you should have a capital letter. Wow. No, wow. This is unbelievable, isn't it? I love this question. Yeah, can we think of something else like, oh, it blew my mind away. Incredible. Lovely. Amazing. Number 6. I'm certain that you will find it quite enjoyable.
Surely you will enjoy it.
I'm sure you will be over the moon. Okay, Lamar. I'm sure you will get a thrill out of this. I like it. Yeah, Asil Ibrahim. Asil Ibrahim, I like it. You know, I know you will like it. Excellent, Adam. I like it. Believe me, doesn't sound friendly. I'm sure you will find it mind-blowing.
Mr.
Excellent, Haya. I love it, Haya. You will get a thrill out of this. That's sure you would enjoy it to the max. I'm sure you would be bouncing off the walls if you joined us. Trust me, it's going to be a lifetime experience. Yes, did you copy? Did you like these? These are my. Are they poor ideas?
How could Mr. Taha get it poor?
Ah, thank you, thank you. All right. Yep. Trust me, it's going to be a lifetime experience. I'm sure you'll be bouncing off the walls. Oh, there is a mistake here. If you joined us. That's why in today's session, we're mainly focusing on how we can sound more friendly, as you can see. That's awesome. You rock. All right.
Mister, I put another one.
Okay, show me.
No one expected that. Dash. How did you do it? Exclamation mark.
No one expected that. Dash.
How did you do it? Exclamation mark.
How did you do it? Wow, I love it. Yeah, Adam, I love it. Let's continue the second sentence together. Wow, that's...
Wow, that's unbelievable.
Huh.
Isn't it? It blew my mind.
Okay,
Isn't
excellent
it?
so far, amazing. Let's...
Isn't it?
Yeah, let's extend a little bit. Into...
It blew my mind into
another world.
into pieces.
Oh, no, into bits. It blew my mind into bits. All right, so copy, guys.